up, guys? All right, day number 2 of Mustang Week 2018. So we're about to go get some food, and it's, I don't know what time is it? Like,
it's 12:48.
Yeah, we just woke up, so yeah, a bit tired, but everybody's probably like that. But anyway, yeah, definitely gonna go eat and then see what the day brings us. It should be a fun and an exciting day. So stay tuned. And this is where we edit. So we got our MacBooks, we got all our stuff, camera equipment, everything. So, and then here's something fun and exciting. Yeah, just nothing but alcohol and Gatorade.
Are you serious?
Good enough and call it that. This should be funny.
Really?
Oh my God, it's that orange GT.
What's going on? I didn't see you there.
Oh my gosh.
What a shock to see you at this meet.
Yeah.
Holy crap, look at that. It's that orange GT.
Oh my, it's another one. It's your clone. Oh jeez.
All right, guys, second pre-meet, second day. Got here early this time and we got some lights, so that's good. We're here with that orange GT, and Stang mode, you need to hurry up because you're missing all of this. But anyway, look at his car back here, looking super, super sharp. And then we got mine.
Watch out, he'll be rude.
Mine back here, which is basically just basic. So we need to mod it. Absolutely.
That was coming back from diesel, so now it's about 53.
What's up, brother?
Hey man, how you doing?
18-hour drive down. Wow.
Where you at?
We are over there in the boondocks somewhere.
Okay.
Yeah.
How you doing, Stephanie?
I'm good. How are you?
She's gonna be my cameraman woman.
You're back in, and you only have one tag.
Randy have both ridden in that car. I've yet to ride in
Never
it.
seen the Laguna in person.
It's pretty sweet, dude. It's pretty sweet.
Because I'm sitting at home looking at all my friends' Facebook posts.
It's a sweet ride, dude.
Xander 13 approves of the Laguna. I do approve. All right, so behind me we have a 2019 Need for Green. I have never seen this in person. So this is my first time, and I'm going to tell you that I do approve. So Gold Pony on YouTube, you can check him out too. Actually just bought one of these, so awesome, beautiful car. Definitely looks really, really, really good in person.
Kathy asked if y'all.
We went to Arizona. I drove to Arizona for Friday.
Hey, so what do you guys think of the stripe? I mean, I don't know. I don't know if I would keep it. I definitely buy the car. I love the color. I like bright Skittle-looking color cars. You know, the oranges and the reds and the greens. But I'm not so sure about the stripe. But what do you guys think in the comments? You know, I don't know. I kind of dig it. Yeah. All right, guys. So I'm in a dilemma. So, you know, that orange GT, he's got all the Roush stuff going on with his Mustang, and I love actually seeing it in person. And then you're spending some time with the car over the next, you know, the last couple of days. I'm seriously in love with what he's done with the car. Very tasteful mods, but the RTR stuff really is intriguing too. And I was really hoping to see one, you know, on this new chassis, this new 18 refresh, if you will, with the front splitter. So we have one right here.
So here it is. Look at that front lip. This is the RTR lip. Now, I like them both. I really do. I mean, the Roush and then you have the RTR. I mean, it looks fantastic. Look at this. It's not too big. It's not too bulky. It still kind of drops down in the center here. I'm digging this right here. It looks really, really good. And then it kind of tucks like right there. I like it. I like it a lot. And I'm completely sold on this front grille like you have.
Here. One thing I found really unique, and I really like this idea, is this is the stock performance pack spoiler, but he added this little lip on it, which makes it look super aggressive, and I'm a huge fan of that idea.
Where can I buy that? Take my money right now. That is sick.
That's really cool. That's really cool.
Love it.
On was confused with the RTR diffuser. Take a look at that. I think in person it looks so aggressive. You can't really see it in photos, but
Oh wow, yeah, look how it sticks out like that.
the RTR diffuser is super aggressive.
That is nasty, man.
That really is. That really
Let me
is.
see if I get low. Here we go. Oh yeah. So this is really cool as well. You have this, what do they call these? A vortex generator. And man, look at that.
Let him know.
Let him know. You gotta respect.
He's going to get to a point where if you don't have it under control when you can handle him, you're not going to be able to handle it.
And have a good day.
Are you kidding me? Again?
We're getting shut down again. This is dumb.
I want to go over there and get that.
God bless. It's stupid as hell. So my thoughts, probably what's happening, and this happens every year at Mustang Week,
Look, he's
is
talking
that
to the cop now. He's like, nobody wants to leave.
I know nobody wants to leave. You know, when people do stupid things, they kind of just ruin it from everybody. And if you haven't seen the last upload from last night, go definitely check that out. I don't know why you missed it, but go look at it. But yeah, people do stupid things, helicopters, and it kind of ruins it for everybody. But I mean, nobody's doing anything dumb right now. So good luck, you know, kicking 2,000 people out of a parking lot. It's just not going to happen. But with that said, I am going to be a law-abiding citizen, and we're going to leave the car parked and we're going to go eat back there somewhere. So I'm not going to leave, not right now. We're going to go get food and then we'll leave.
I see it.
910 Cody Racing.
Oh, that's
I don't know if you heard of me yet.
No, I think I see it in some of my videos. I think I saw
Oh,
it
really?
on one of the comments. Yep,
Awesome.
yep. So, nice seeing you, man.
Look, my buddy was just commenting about your car. We were at Riyadh's eating. He's
Oh,
like,
really?
man, I just saw this badass orange Mustang come through. So we went and ate, and I walked, I looked, and I was like, you did the video the other day of the cops that stopped the three
I
cars.
did. I
Yep,
did.
Yep, that's awesome. That's awesome.
No,
It's actually in the car.
I really want to do
They'll have them. Steve's actually staying
So
with
that
me.
actually has a trigger
Yeah, you
engagement
can
too?
get in.
Yeah, so that's great because I think
Setting it like you're gonna drive it, grab it like you're driving it. You want to always hold your hand on the shifter. Like put your thumb down, bring your thumb around. Yeah.
okay.
Now how do you like it? It's like really ergo.
Yeah.
I love the way.
Yeah, it fits right in the hand.
You always want to hold on to it.
Yep. The I think the Barton you have to like push down, and I like the trigger.
I like the look of that better.
Yeah.
Man, it's a beast.
And you know, just under really aggressive driving, the way that thing downshifts and just shifts around in general.
Oh yeah.
I love
Fun,
it.
especially once you get a tune on it.
Yeah.
It brings this car to life.
So I was you can answer that then. Does it change the shift points? Does it? Okay.
Oh, it's crazy.
Because I would like it to be more aggressive.
Oh, it is. Does your car have drag mode and stuff? You got a performance pack car,
Yeah,
right?
yeah. It's got
Okay, so you know how aggressive drag mode is right now? Well, he's got it set up where that if you pull the shifter back into S for like sport shift mode, it's just as hard. It's pretty wild. The only difference you don't have built into it is you know how whenever in drag mode it shifts, it feels like it lunges forward a little bit. Yeah. So it don't lunge forward with shift, with just the sport mode shift. But with it in drag mode, it still does all of it just like it did before.
Okay. All right.
But I don't know if you've played around with your car enough to know this, but putting it in sport mode in the shifter and then putting it in drag mode, it actually shifts faster and even harder than just putting it in drag mode and leaving it in drive.
So yeah, I'm still learning. There's 2,500 miles on the car now, but I need to put it on track and really learn the transmission a little bit.
Well,
that's
coming. We'll get together one day this week and we'll run it through the motions.
Okay, that'd be good.
Whether it's ready to go on the 85 or I have to put it back on pump gas.
Yeah.
Pump gas tune's ready. I mean, we can run it through the motions real hard on that. And I'll let you drive it and see what the difference is. A huge difference in stock to this. I don't know what modded to this versus stock to this is like, but I know that going from complete stock to this is an animal.
Awesome. Oh, sorry. Let's back up. Oh, it's fine.
I do watch you sometimes.
Do you?
I do. Thank you. I got a Squad 18 3 months ago.
Yeah.
And I kind of wish I would have went with the Ohio, so you could have got the supercharger on top already. But my thing is, I want to get a tune and I want to get the 85. I'm afraid of the warranty. I can just see them saying
500 key cycles. Everybody stock 500 key cycles. Right. It can only remember that much computer. After that, it wipes it.
So
then it's just broke with no memory.
I'm gonna literally. I'm trying to break my car right now, and we get home and change the oil, and then drive the crap out of it. And if it doesn't tick after that, I'm gonna be good to tune.
There's a couple of guys that's near me that have had issues with the transmission.
Right.
One of them was completely stock, and the other one was modded. Palm Beach tune, headers, intake, like a JLT intake, exhaust, and it broke. But my other buddy's car is full bolt-ons, pretty much. Beats the living shit out of it every day.
Yeah, the 18 had no issues at all.
It's weird.
See, that's what I'm worried because I hear about the manual, the 18.
Right.
I got 2,000 miles on mine now at home, and I'm just wondering if that day is going to happen. I don't have third. It usually kind of goes nice and smooth in there, but when I'm driving around town, maybe at 3,500, and I try to go in there, there's a little notch, and I got to just kind of move it to the side a little bit. I don't know if that's part of it or not, but
yeah, I mean the 18, I did a shifter at like 200 miles. I don't know if that has anything to do with it or not. As far as the lockout and stuff, I have no. But
that I heard the ones after December, the cars that are built December on, they're good. But October is the one you got to worry about.
X build date to X build date, watch out kind of deal.
That's what I got to find out.
I have no idea what the dates are.
I don't know either. I just got to look up. Anyway, nice running into you anyway. But yeah, I watch it on YouTube.
Thank you.
Check it out.
Yeah, we're gonna try to do and upload every. It took us 2 hours to do that one from last night, and I stayed awake and I was like, oh my god. So it's gonna be the same deal tonight. But it is.
Enjoy your holiday.
You too. I'll see you later. All right, guys. Here we have another splitter option. I really dig in this too. This is a performance package level 2, and you haven't seen that yet on this channel. And I just lost all the light. That sucks.
I got you with the light.
Oh, I appreciate it. So what I like about this is you have this lower splitter that attaches to the bottom and actually comes out a little bit on the sides and then up here. And I think it looks super clean. Oh man, we'll find another one in the daylight.
Yep.
Yeah, absolutely.
Tomorrow in the meet and greet, I'm sure it's going to be there. So again, if you're not subscribed to this guy's channel, make sure you subscribe. He has some of the hottest Mustang content out right now. So yeah, I mean, stay tuned for tomorrow.
Yeah, absolutely.
Oh, it's good, right?
Yeah, the strawberry is amazing.
It's good. Delicious. Absolutely.
Big fire coming. Watch your hip. Fire hole. Ready? 1, 2, right. Oh! Hey! All right. 1, 2, right. Hey! All right. Ready? 1, 2, right. Oh, we do. 3,
3-second rule. Oh, yes, sir. Come on. 1, 2, 3. Yeah,
Redemption. Oh, I hope Stang Mode watches your videos too, because I'm thinking I'm gonna buy this for Stang Mode and leave it on his pillow, but I'm not exactly sure what flavor he likes best. You guys in the comments let me know if I should get this for Stang Mode. If nothing, even if one of you says yes, I'm getting it. That's all I need.
But who's gonna eat it?
Stang Mode.
Oh, Stang Mode's gonna eat it.
Yeah, Stang Mode's gonna eat it. I'm leaving it for him. He's gonna have to eat it.
Yeah.
I'm not doing nothing.
Like you're videoing.
I hit the camera. I hit the camera.
Backfired.
Almost ripped my lens off. That was bad.
I said this is what Stang Mode's car looked like before the wrap. I think it's very cute and fluffy, but if you guys see Stang Mode's car right now, you guys will be in for a shock of your life.
Look, it's a slope. Now go pick it up.